Hi, and welcome to Explained Under 12 Minutes. Today, we're talking about something that affects your money more than you think: your credit score. What it is, why it matters, and how to keep it in good shape. Let's get started. A credit score is a number between 300 and 850. It tells banks and lenders how likely you are to pay back money you borrow. The higher the number, the better. A good credit score means you're seen as responsible. A low score means lenders might be more careful with you. This score is based on your credit history, how you handle credit cards, loans, and whether you pay your bills on time. Let's look at what affects your credit score. There are 5 main factors. First, payment history. This makes up 35% of your score. Paying bills on time is the most important thing you can do. Second, credit utilization. That's how much of your credit you're using. It's best to keep it below 30%. Third, credit age. The longer your credit history, the better. Fourth, credit mix. A combination of credit types, like credit cards, loans, or a mortgage, can help your score. And fifth, new credit. Opening many new accounts in a short time can hurt your score. So why does your credit score matter? It affects more than just loans. It can impact your ability to rent an apartment, lease a car, or even get a job. A good credit score can help you get lower interest rates, which means you save money. A bad score can lead to higher costs or even rejection when you apply for credit. Here are some tips to improve or maintain your credit score. 1. Pay your bills on time. 2. Keep your credit card balances low. 3. Avoid applying for too many new accounts at once. 4. Keep old accounts open to show long credit history. And 5. Check your credit reports for errors. To sum it up, your credit score is important, but it's also something you can improve with good habits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.